This video is going to be about your restaurant POS, being able to use it and customize it. When you sign up, you may see a restaurant POS up here. If you wish that you don't want a restaurant POS here or a gift shop, for example, you would just go into POS points and just disable it. Hit OK, refresh, and watch it disappear from the main menu. Now, for the POS, what you're going to want to do is you can create your own POS. I've created a bar up here that's using the restaurant POS. The restaurant POS allows you to create tables or bar stools, and when they have an open tab, it will turn red. You can create POS points over here, categories, and then you can create POS items and add to the bill. If you're integrated with payment gateway, you're going to say charge via gateway over here. If you don't have a payment gateway integrated into your system, you can choose one of these forms of payment to close it out. If I just close it right here, it'll go back to the tables, or by clicking on the tab. I can go into the transaction list, and this will show me all the transactions that were being posted. I have a folio number over here for each transaction that has been made and the time that I did it, the amount that was paid, and the type of credit card and the date. So if a customer comes back in, say, with a receipt, I can look on their receipt. If they want a refund and their receipt says $26.19, I can open it back up and I can refund their amount that they paid right here. The POS is a very customizable function. If I want to use POS for something else, for keeping tabs, I can. I'm going to add a POS point and create wedding tabs, and I will make it a touch-friendly view, and I will hit OK. Now, the touch-friendly view is this POS. The other one is the POS gift shop. And let me show you what that one looks like. I prefer using the touch view because there's so much more that you can do on the touch view. But if you just want to use a simple gift shop POS, you can. You will be able to click on your transaction list here to pull up your past transactions, your POS products and categories. You can look in here for your products. Select, it'll add. You can write, if you don't have a payment gateway, it'll say charge via payment gateway if you have one. If you don't, you can fill out the pay type here and add a description. You can save and close it, save and print, start a new transaction, transfer to room. But this is a basic transaction list. I personally like the POS bar better, and I will show you why. So I'm going back over to POS points. I've created wedding tabs. After I do that, what I need to do is refresh my screen. This is a new feature we added, and I have people waiting for a spot. That's why it keeps popping up. Now I'm going to go into users. As you can see, I have all access. I can create different accesses for different things if I want to, but right now I'm going to click on all access, and I'm going to click on wedding tabs, click on permissions, and I'm going to click on manage categories and products. Now I have to refresh one more time. I'm going to add some categories. I'm going to say, in the weddings, they usually have flowers. And I'm going to include it to wedding tabs, POS products. I'll be able to say red roses. I can add tax here if I want. I'm going to put the price here. Now, my wedding tabs are people that are coming in to do weddings at my place. I may have more than one wedding tab going, so what I can do here is, instead of table names, I can add the name of the wedding tab that I'm going to create. So let's say Bill and Mary, and Ted and Sue, and hit OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh. And under wedding tabs, I can start creating wedding tabs with these people. And then I can close it and continue to create as many tabs under wedding tabs as I want to. The restaurant POS is very customizable this way, so you can create your own tab on your PMS, your own creations, and you'll be able to keep pulling them up through the tabs or transaction lists. Now, I haven't created any transactions yet, but once I finish, I'll be able to pull it up that way as well. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact us.